Most people spend years waiting for the right moment to start something, but that moment never comes.
They think they need more money, more time, or a perfect plan before they begin.
But the truth is, most successful businesses never started that way at all.
They started small and turned simple ideas into systems that kept making money. Jake noticed that in busy areas, people struggled every day just to find a place to park. At the same time, many private spaces, like driveways, were completely unused. He connected people who needed parking with those who had extra space and took a small fee. Without owning anything, and he built a system that made money again and again.
Emily saw something different. She noticed that people were throwing away valuable items every day. She started collecting them and cleaning them and making them look new again. Then she sold them for profit, turning something free into real income.
David noticed many small businesses struggled to get new customers consistently. He focused on bringing them customers instead of doing the actual service work. And by charging for each lead, he created a system that paid him continuously. All three of these businesses started with nothing but a simple observation of everyday problems. They did not invent anything new. They just saw what others ignored. Instead of waiting, they used what they already had and took action immediately.
And that small decision is what separated them from most people.
Because success is not about starting big, it is about starting at all. Every big business you see today started from something small and simple. But consistency is what turns that small start into something powerful over time.
Taking small actions every day matters more than waiting for the perfect plan. Because time will pass anyway, whether you take action or not.
And most people lose opportunities simply because they wait too long to start. The truth is, opportunities are everywhere, but only a few people actually notice them. And even fewer people are willing to take action on them.
If you start today, even with nothing, you are already ahead of most people.
Because action creates momentum, and momentum creates results.
And over time, those results can completely change your life.
If you found this useful, drop a like so more people can see this video.
And if you want more real business ideas like this, make sure to subscribe and stay consistent.